Okay, flour, my salt, nutmeg, cinnamon. It's a tablespoon of each. My vanilla, my brown sugar, and I'm gonna mix it up first. I like to pre-raise my yeast. That way I know that it works, so I don't sit there wondering if my yeast is good. I know it's good before I put it in. Okay, so I got my basic mix. I'll add my yeast to it. That yeast contains, made my liquid half the amount of flour that I made. So 50% liquid to flour. It's my butter, 1 cup butter. That was 3 pounds of flour, 2 pounds of sugar. Actually, I did one and a half sugar. I'm a little diabetic, so I don't do much. I don't do a lot of sugar because I don't want to eat this up like crazy. I add my 4 eggs. Then I'm gonna mix this up. Let me add my raisins. Here I got some raisins that have been pre-soaked. I like my raisins plump, so you pre-soak them before you use them. Okay, so you can get some plump out of them. This is a beautiful rise right there. Just raisin. This is my second punch down. On the third one, we're gonna start separating them, bottling them up, and doing them off. Okay, here they are, already rolled out. Now I'm gonna let them rise before we start baking. So here's the finished product, and these just came out the oven. These are brushed with a sugar solution. Right? I take some brown sugar, equal parts water, and brush them with it to give you that shiny look. So that's what we got as our finished product. Nice sticky bun.